Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So today's video is all about helping you guys who are suffering from oily and acne prone skin. So I have got all the products right here. These products are tried and tested many times on men from different backgrounds, and everybody who tried these skincare products said they absolutely love these products and now they can't use any other skincare product. So if you want to learn about these products, keep on watching. Those of you who are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Anna. No, I'm not a beauty guru with an opinion on YouTube. I am a fully qualified cosmetic nurse. I went to uni and I studied skin and skincare products in depth. I also work at a skin clinic where I treat men and women from different backgrounds. So I know what I'm talking about. So the skincare products I'm going to show you today, we have used these products on our clients, patients over and over, and we have seen really good results. These products are not very popular in the market because these products are used by the doctors and nurses in the skincare clinics. But I didn't want to keep it secret from you guys, so here I am. I'll be showing you the best of the best skincare products with the best of the best ingredients which we skincare professionals use in the skin clinics to give you the best results. So before we jump into the products, I just want to ask you guys one thing. When I posted my last video about simple, easy and effective skincare for men, I got comments like, when I make videos for women, I always go into depth and my videos are 15 to 20 minutes long and I explain everything. But when I make skincare videos for men, the videos are like really short, they are to the point, and I don't go into depth of explaining all the ingredients. So I was actually under the impression that you gentlemen don't like to know the mumbo jumbo of all the ingredients. That's why I like to keep men's skincare videos just to the point. But if you want to make longer videos and if you want me to explain every ingredient in detail, please let me know. I love talking. I can talk your ear off and I can go on and on. So please let me know, do you want to see short to the point videos or you want me to explain every ingredient in depth? So I will do that. Just wanted to ask you guys about your opinion on that. So the skincare products I'm going to show you today to manage your oily and acne prone skin is from an Australian brand called La Clinica. La Clinica is a very well known skincare brand. It's very popular among the doctors and nurses who work in the skincare industry. In my clinic where I work, we use a lot of La Clinica skincare products on our clients. The reason we use La Clinica is because they have got best of the best skincare product with the best of the best ingredients and just in the right amount to give the clients really good results. So the first product I have for you to manage your oily and acne prone skin is this Clear Skin Anti-Blemish Face Wash from La Clinica. Good thing about this face wash is, first of all, it has got really good ingredients and just in the right amount. I will explain to you ingredients in a minute. Second is, this face wash is designed for normal to oily skin. This face wash also doubles up as a body wash because of the good ingredients in it. And third thing about this face wash is, if you got dandruff in your head, you can also use this face wash as an anti-dandruff shampoo. So this is a really good face wash with really good cosmeceutical ingredients which are really safe to use. They are not going to cause any irritation to your skin. And also, if you suffer from skin conditions like psoriasis and ingrown hair, it's really effective. So this face wash has got three main ingredients: salicylic acid, spearmint and clear active complex. Salicylic acid has the capacity to dive deep into your pores and remove that excessive oil, dirt, sweat, grime, whatever is clogging your pores, and it helps the pores to open up and breathe. So that's how salicylic acid is effective in the management of oily and acne prone skin. Next ingredient, spearmint, is really good because it has got anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with acne and breakouts. It helps the skin to calm down when it is red and irritated. People who suffer from frequent breakouts and acne, they actually drink spearmint tea for that very reason, because it helps your skin to calm down. Third ingredient, it's Clear Active Complex. I'm not quite sure if you want to know the mumbo jumbo of Clear Active Complex, but just in the simple words, what Clear Active Complex does is it reduces the post-acne pigmentation and scarring. So once the acne and breakout heals, you will have minimum scarring and minimum pigmentation on your face. So yes, really good ingredients and really good face wash, and it's not that expensive as well. It's 250 ml of packaging and it costs around, I think, $27.50 here in Australia. So this face wash you can use morning and afternoon. Next product I'm going to show you is this Clear Skin Intensive Spot Serum. This is a really good product and it's in a high demand. People have placed pre-orders on La Clinica website because it was out of stock for a very long time, and people have been requesting La Clinica to restock this intensive spot serum. This is intensive spot serum, I would say, if you have got acne and breakout on your face. This is really good. It's got very lightweight consistency and it absorbs into the skin really fast, and it doesn't make your skin look oily or shiny. It smells a bit like tea tree oil. This intensive spot serum is packed with really good ingredients. So main ingredients in this intensive spot serum are, first one is vitamin B complex. Now vitamin B complex is very well known in controlling the oil production inside our body or on our face. Vitamin B complex tells your brain, okay, this is the amount of oil I want on the face, which is enough to lubricate the face. Please don't produce any more oil. So that's how vitamin B complex manages the acne, by regulating the oil production. Next really good ingredient in this intensive face serum is, intensive spot serum, is allantoin. Allantoin has got really good healing and soothing properties. If you end up having acne and breakout on your face and your skin is like really red and irritated, allantoin is gonna help your skin calm down and reduce that redness and reduce that flare-ups. The third really good ingredient in this intensive spot serum is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, as you all know, has got antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. It is really effective against the P. acne bacteria, which are the culprits of causing acne. And it has got another really good ingredient, which is lemon myrtle oil. Lemon myrtle oil works as an astringent. It tightens your pores, it cleans your pores, and it's also effective against P. acne bacteria. So really good ingredients, and it's not that expensive either. So this intensive spot serum comes in 50 ml of packaging, costs around $27.50 here in Australia. It is designed to use morning and night. First wash your face with the anti-blemish face wash, then apply a generous amount of this serum all over your face with the special attention to the areas where you have got pimples, where you have got blemishes, or where you have got blackheads. The third product I have for you guys to manage your oily and acne prone skin is this intensive oil control cream. So this is a very lightweight and very hydrating cream which provides the hydration and moisture to your skin, and at the same time it fights acne, blemishes and blackheads. So I'll show you. It's a really hydrating cream which absorbs into your skin really quickly and does not make your skin feel shiny or anything. Look, it just absorbed and it just makes your skin look well hydrated. I think it smells a little bit like tea tree oil. I think the whole range smells like tea tree oil. So this oil control cream mainly has got two main ingredients. First ingredient is Clear Active Complex and the second ingredient is White Brilliant Complex. Clear Active Complex, as I have explained to you earlier, is designed to reduce the post-acne scarring and hyperpigmentation. And the White Brilliant Complex has got tyrosinase inhibitors. In simple words, it just protects your skin from the harmful UV rays, because the UV rays, they are very damaging. They cause the dehydration, they cause fine lines, they cause wrinkles, and they cause skin cancer. So the tyrosinase inhibitor content in the White Brilliant Complex is gonna protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. But saying that, I would still recommend using a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 plus, even if you are using this oil control cream, because I told you I am really big on SPF. I never leave home without applying sunscreen on my face, and I never ever advise anybody to leave home without sunscreen. So the really good thing about this oil control cream is it's gonna give your skin just the right amount of hydration needed without making your skin excessively oily or greasy. So when you have got oily and acne prone skin, that's the thing, that you can never allow your skin to be dry, because once your skin is left dry, it then triggers your brain to produce more sebum, to produce more oil to lubricate your face. So that's why you need a cream which is specially designed for oily skin, which gives just the right amount of hydration needed without making your skin too greasy. So this intensive oil control cream comes in 50 ml of packaging and costs $33 here in Australia. So not that expensive at all. So these are the 3 products I have been using on my clients to manage their oily and acne prone skin. They are easily available on La Clinica website. I will put the link in the description box below for you guys to check it out. And they are not that expensive as well. They are really good creams with really good ingredients and just in the right amount to give you the best result to manage your oily and acne prone skin. So that's it about today's video. If you guys have got any other skin concern you would like me to make a video about, please let me know in the comment section, and I would love to make a video for you guys. Apart from that, yes, that's it about today's video. And if you like the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Please leave your feedback in the comment section, because your feedback is really important for me to improve my videos. And then I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.